Imagine making $1,000 in a week without having to win the lottery or endure your boss's bad jokes at the office. Sound impossible? Think again. With these 2024 money-making trends, your bank account could be laughing all the way to the digital vault. No questionable side hustles required. Freelancing, leveraging the expanding gig economy. Freelancing remains a cornerstone for individuals looking to achieve quick, substantial income, bolstered by flexible working conditions and a broad range of available projects. In 2024, the US freelance market reached a substantial size, with approximately 67.4 million freelancers contributing over $1.3 trillion annually to the economy. This marked an increase driven by a growing reliance on remote work post-pandemic and a significant shift towards digital solutions. The hourly earnings for freelancers vary widely, with general rates spanning from $30 to $105, depending on skill level and industry specialization. Web developers, content writers, and graphic designers are among the most sought after, with experienced freelancers earning on the higher end of this range. To reach the $1,000 weekly goal, a strategic approach is essential. Freelancers must maximize billable hours, prioritize high-paying projects, and optimize their workflow to manage multiple tasks efficiently. Online tutoring, meeting the rising educational demand. The online tutoring market has surged in recent years, driven by a global shift towards digital learning and increased demand for specialized education. The market is valued at $60.9 billion, reflecting an annual growth rate of 10%. In the United States alone, this sector holds a significant market share, projected at $1.57 billion. The growth in this market is propelled by students seeking extra academic support in subjects like math, physics, and college prep courses, especially with a 40% rise in demand for STEM education. Tutors typically earn between $20 and $50 per hour, and by dedicating 25 to 30 hours per week to tutoring, it is feasible to accumulate $1,000. The most successful online tutors not only focus on high-demand subjects, but also leverage technology to provide interactive, personalized sessions that meet modern educational standards. Selling digital products, capitalizing on scalable earnings. The e-learning and digital products market experienced a 22% increase as consumers continued to prioritize online resources for learning and productivity. Selling digital products such as ebooks, templates, courses, and printables has proven to be a lucrative venture due to the low cost of production and high profit margins. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are popular choices for creators looking to distribute their digital goods. Sellers who successfully market their products, utilizing social media and strategic partnerships with influencers, often see notable returns on their investments. With a solid marketing plan and in-demand content, earning $1,000 or more in a week becomes attainable. Sellers have reported that bundling related products can increase overall sales volume, adding significant value to each transaction. Market research participation, flexible, profitable studies. Market research has become a go-to option for people seeking supplementary income. Platforms like Respondent.io and user interviews have gained traction in 2024 as more companies invest in consumer feedback to shape their products and services. Compensation per study ranges from $50 to $300, making this an appealing option for quick earnings. The number of available studies has grown by 12%, reflecting the heightened demand for diverse participant demographics. By scheduling multiple research sessions throughout the week, dedicated participants can realistically reach a $1,000 goal. Market research participation is especially attractive because it offers flexibility, allowing individuals to fit studies around their existing schedules. Task-based platforms, income from quick jobs. Platforms like TaskRabbit have seen increased user activity, with a reported 15% rise in job postings. Task-based work offers opportunities for those willing to complete various jobs, such as furniture assembly, event support, and minor home repairs. Earnings for these tasks generally range from $50 to $150 each, and experienced taskers can complete several in a single day. A week of focused effort, picking high-paying and fast turnaround tasks, can easily result in $1,000 or more. Those who prioritize their availability during peak times and maintain high ratings for their reliability often find more consistent and higher-paying work. Building a solid reputation on these platforms leads to better job opportunities and repeat clients. Reselling items online, thriving in the resale market. Reselling items on platforms such as eBay and Facebook Marketplace has become more lucrative, with the resale market seeing a 20% growth. This expansion is partly due to an increased consumer interest in sustainability and second-hand goods. Sellers typically source items from thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance aisles and resell them at a profit. High-margin categories include vintage electronics, collectible clothing, and rare home decor items, with reported profit margins reaching up to 200% on certain products. To succeed in this venture, resellers need to develop a keen eye for valuable items and optimize their listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Consistent sourcing and quick turnover of inventory are key strategies that can lead to earning $1,000 a week. Rideshare and delivery services, a consistent revenue stream. Working with rideshare and delivery services such as Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart remains one of the most reliable ways to earn money. In 2024, drivers in urban areas report average earnings of $20–30 per hour, with surge pricing during peak times boosting rates to $40 per hour. Many drivers maximize their earnings by working during high-demand periods, such as evenings and weekends. Utilizing multiple apps simultaneously allows drivers to fill idle time between rides with deliveries, ensuring a steady flow of income. By focusing on strategic hours and using fuel-efficient vehicles to reduce costs, drivers can realistically make $1,000 in a week. Additionally, drivers who take advantage of bonus structures and incentives offered by these platforms can see a noticeable increase in their total earnings. Building a strong customer rating through exceptional service also leads to higher tips, further boosting weekly income. Pet sitting and dog walking, the growing pet services market. Pet care services, particularly those offered through platforms like Rover, have seen a 25% increase in bookings. This growth is fueled by the pandemic-era pet boom, with more pet owners seeking reliable care options. Pet sitters can earn between $50 and $100 per night for overnight stays, while dog walkers typically make $20 per session. Individuals who book multiple clients per day or offer added services like grooming and training can significantly boost their weekly earnings. Peak periods such as weekends and holidays are especially lucrative as demand spikes when owners travel. To stand out, pet sitters should build trust by maintaining positive reviews and showcasing certifications in pet care. Additionally, providing personalized services like photo updates and pet activity reports can create repeat business and client loyalty. Hosting paid workshops and webinars, monetizing expertise. The demand for online workshops and webinars has increased by 28% in 2024 as people seek accessible professional development and hobby-based learning. Hosting paid webinars or workshops on platforms like Eventbrite can generate significant revenue, especially when focused on popular topics like digital marketing, career coaching, or tech skills. Charging $50 per participant and attracting at least 20 attendees can yield $1,000 from a single event. To maximize reach, consider recording sessions for later sale as on-demand content and offering exclusive perks like downloadable materials. Promoting these events through social media ads, email marketing, and partnerships with influencers can amplify attendance and profitability, helping establish your reputation as an expert in your niche. Renting out assets, making money with your property or car. Renting out assets on platforms like Airbnb and Turo has become an increasingly popular way to generate income. Airbnb reported a 15% increase in short-term rental bookings, driven by travelers' preference for unique and local stays. Car rentals on Turo have also been profitable, with daily rates of $100, $150 for mid-range and premium vehicles. Optimizing listings with professional photos and comprehensive descriptions helps attract more renters. Adjusting prices during local events and peak tourist seasons can significantly boost earnings. Maintaining high service standards and responsiveness ensures positive reviews, which are crucial for repeat business and long-term success. Thanks for sticking around to learn how to hit that $1,000 weekly goal. If you're ready to put these strategies to the test and want more tips to boost your hustle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your future wallet will thank you. Promise.